Yeah, guys, just to break character for a minute here, I didn't really feel like changing clothes at the mannequin in the beginning, so you're just gonna switch characters and become me for now. I know you guys gonna be like, if I didn't say anything, be like, oh my gosh, this guy's a fool, he didn't change clothes and it's not even the same character. I realize that it's not a mistake, it's just I don't want to change clothes with that. Probably I should get the same clothes, like two everything, and then that creature and I, the mannequin and I will be wearing the same clothes. A little behind the scenes for you as I work into and develop this 360 virtual car tour experience. But anyways, you can still get the 360 first person perspective of driving right now. Let's do this 360 POV first person driving a Honda CRV. So yeah, feel free to have a look around. I'll just be quiet now and you can get a feel for this car. Alright guys, I'll take you on the highway once, do a little acceleration, and then I'll let you get on with the rest of your day. I'm sure you're pretty busy, you've got things to do. After watching this, you'll at least have an idea or a clue. What you think about the CRV? So here we go. not bad. We're in 5th gear right now. Alright guys, that's it. We'll see you next time.